Hi, this is Kribakaran Rajendran. Welcome to Trading with Grow channel. In the last 1 year, a lot of mid cap and small cap stocks has skyrocketed. And this is a start of a bull run where we could see a lot many stocks moving up going forward. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a momentum rule using which you can identify what are the list of stocks that could go up in the next 1 week or next 5 days. So using that rule, if you implement, you would be able to buy the stocks and ride the momentum and make profit from that momentum movement. So in this video, I'm going to explain in detail about how do you get into the stocks, how do you shortlist those stocks, when to get in, when to get out, what should be the stop loss, what should be the target, everything. So the basic idea behind momentum is usually in trading or investing, people say that buy low and sell high. But with respect to momentum, it is totally opposite. You have to buy high and sell higher. So if a stock is trading at 100 rupees, you just wait for the stock to move to 120, get into 120, and the moment it goes to 150, you will exiting it. So this is the idea behind momentum. So this momentum rules has been there in the markets for a long time. The core idea behind momentum is a stock which hits 52-week high will continue to make new 52-week high. A stock which hits a new all-time high will continue to move up in the same direction and make a new all-time high. Similarly, a stock which is in downtrend, when it hits 52-week low, it can continue to move down and hit a new 52-week low. So this is the whole idea of momentum. So you are trying to get into a stock once you find a momentum in it, once you find a trend in it. So you'll get into it and ride the trend for a few days and then exit it and wait for the new set of stocks which creates new momentum. So this is the whole idea of it. So let me explain how you can start trading using this momentum rules. Let's consider this stock. It is an IFCI weekly chart where I have plotted for the last 2 years. As you could see at this place where exactly when there was a big weekly change that has happened, where on that specific week it has moved up 37% in 1 week, but in the following days you could see it has moved up literally much higher, and the next week itself is again moved 5.86%. So when there was a big weekly change, when there is a big momentum in 1 week, it might continue to move in the same direction for the next couple of days. Similarly, now for this week it has closed approximately 24%. So in the coming weeks, there is a high probability that it could move in the same direction. So this is what you call it as a weekly momentum strategy. So the rules of the strategy is simple. It is straightforward. First, you don't need to sit and monitor a lot many stocks. Don't need to spend so much of time analyzing the markets. All you have to do is every Friday, end of the day after the market is closed, you just have to spend 5 to 10 minutes of your time. What you have to do is observe what are the list of stocks that has moved up higher in the last 1 week. So there could be hundreds of stocks, there could be multiple stocks. So we don't need to focus all the stocks. We are just focusing on the top 10 stocks which has moved up the most in the last 1 week. That is the first rule. And the second rule is you have to segregate these stocks under market cap. Say if you wanted to take a higher risk and want higher returns, you can go for the stock which is in the small cap category. And if you wanted to take medium returns with the medium risk, you can go with the mid cap stocks or the stocks with the market capitalization between a certain range that belongs to mid cap. Similarly, if you want to go with the large cap stocks where the market cap is much higher, where the returns could be minimal, risk can also be minimal. So likewise, if you segregate into these kind of baskets, then you will be able to see what are the list of stocks that has moved up high in the last 1 week based on this market cap. So how do we find it? So using a free screener tool, you can easily find it. Let me show you how you can do it. Small cap stocks are the list of stocks which has market cap of less than 5,000 crores. And between 5,000 crores to 20,000 crores are the list of stocks which has market cap between this range. And the large cap stocks are the one which has a market cap of greater than 20,000 crores. So based on this, we are going to segregate it and find the list of stocks. And once we find these list of stocks, all you have to do is shortlist those 10 stocks and buy them on Monday. Say if you have 1 lakh of overall capital. So this 1 lakh, what you have to do is divide by 10, which means that you will get 10,000. So you have to invest 10,000 rupees in each of these 10 stocks. and once you invest it on Monday, you just have to sell it on Friday by end of the day after 3:20. So this is what you have to do it from Monday to Friday. Invest on Monday by analyzing what are the list of stocks that satisfy this condition by the end of Friday. You will have the list, buy them on Monday morning once the market opens. So you will be investing 10,000 in all those 10 stocks equally, and then you have to sell it on Friday evening around 3:20 p.m. and repeat the same exercise after you sold those stocks. Again, you will be investing it on Monday. So this is what you need to do. So let's see how you can find out those list of stocks that has moved up significantly in the last 1 week. You have to go to this free tool called screener.in and click on screen. You will have an option to create new screen. Click on create new screen and you have to type the query here. So we wanted to find out list of stocks which has moved up greater than 5% in the last 1 week. That is the minimum criteria. So return over 1 week should be greater than 5 and market capitalization should be less than 5,000 crores and market cap should be greater than 500 crore. This way you are avoiding all the micro cap stocks which has a market cap of 10 crore, 20 crore. So those companies we don't want to invest in. We wanted to invest in the companies which has minimum 500 market cap and less than 5,000 crore market cap and which has moved up at least 5% in the last 1 week. So run this query. That is going to give you a list of stocks which has moved up significantly in the last 1 week. So these are the list of stocks. So now Pakka, Anaxia Steels, SPC Exports. So you can see in the last 1 week these stocks moved up significantly. Stocks like Pakka has moved up 50% and Manaxia Steels has moved up 42%, SPC Exports moved up 32%. So these are the list of 10 stocks. So all you have to do is, if you have a capital of 1 lakh, invest 10,000 in each of these stocks when the market opens on Monday, and you would be selling the same stocks on Friday evening, the next Friday evening. So likewise, you have to repeat it based on the market cap. Say now I wanted to do the same for mid cap category. So what is the change that I need to do here? I just have to change the market cap here. So a market cap with a minimum 20,000 crores. Like it should be less than 20,000 crores and it should be greater than 5,000 crores. And run the same query now. Now you will get a list of stocks which has moved up highest in the last 1 week. So now you will get a list of stocks which you might be familiar with. For an example, Ganesha Housing, National Standard, National Fertilizers, so IFCI. So all these 10 stocks, you have to shortlist these 10 stocks and invest equally in it on Monday morning once the market opens and sell it by 3:20 or after 3:25 by Friday. So we are just going to hold these stocks for 1 week and sell it. So what would happen is these 1 week you are going to invest in a diversified portfolio of mid-cap companies, and based on the market movements, some companies might go much higher, some companies might not move, but on the whole, with this diversified 10 portfolio, you're going to gain much. Similarly, you can repeat the same for large cap. So the large cap, the rule is the market cap should be greater than 20,000 crores. Now run it. So now you will have the list of stocks which has the highest market cap and which has moved up significantly in the last 1 week. So Cochin Shipyard, IDBI Bank, General Insurance, Atco, Oracle Financial Services. Those, you will know these are companies which are fundamentally good. So you'll be more comfortable to invest in these kind of stocks rather than investing in unknown companies. So you have to repeat the same. So based on which market cap you wanted to invest in, just buy those stocks. Now after you run this analysis by Friday evening, buy those stocks on Monday morning once market opens. Hold it for 1 week, like from Monday to Friday, you're just going to hold it and sell it on Friday evening after 3:20. So you will not use any fixed stop loss or fixed targets here, because you are just going to rely on a diversified 10 list of stocks, and the holding period is very minimal for 1 week. So even if there is any correction, you will not see a significant downside move. And also you're not investing all your capital in one stocks. You are diversifying into 10 stocks where the overall category of the investment itself might change. Like there are banking sectors, there are shipping sectors, there are insurance sectors. So you don't need to worry on the diversification. So by investing in these momentum rules, you would not only be able to pick up the stocks, you can invest in it and gain a good profit from those momentum movement. So this is how you can pick stocks based on momentum rules without much complexity, without much analysis. All you have to do is run this simple screener and you would be able to get all the required momentum stocks. And based on your risk appetite, choose which segment you want to invest in, either small cap, mid cap or large cap, and just rebalance it on a weekly basis. So by this, you're going to spend very few minutes of your time, not on a market day, only after the market is closed, either on Friday evening or Saturday or Sunday, and repeat this exercise every week. So by this way, you would be easily able to trade the momentum stocks. So this is what I wanted to convey in this video. I'll see you guys with another video next week. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.